Navigating language. Unraveling, Meander Off Course. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's as picturesque as it is intriguing. Meander off course. This expression is a gem in the English language, painting vivid imagery while conveying a deeper meaning. Stick around as we explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts. The verb, meander, originally refers to a winding or indirect course, much like a river that twists and turns through a landscape. This term beautifully captures the idea of moving in a path that is not straight, often in a relaxed or aimless way. When we talk about meandering, we're talking about taking a route that isn't direct or purposeful, but rather leisurely and perhaps even enjoyable in its unpredictability. Now, let's add the phrase, off course, to our exploration. To go off course means to deviate from a planned or intended path. It implies a departure from the original plan or direction. When combined with meander, the phrase takes on a nuanced meaning. It suggests not just any deviation, but one that is gradual, subtle, and perhaps even unnoticed at first. Putting it all together, meander off course describes a situation where someone or something starts to gradually move away from their intended path or goal, doing so in a way that might be aimless or indirect. This phrase can be used both literally, like describing a river that doesn't follow a straight path, and metaphorically, to talk about projects, conversations, or even life paths that don't go as originally planned. Examples in sentences. The meeting meandered off course when we started discussing unrelated personal stories. While hiking, we meandered off course and discovered a beautiful hidden lake. My career path meandered off course after I discovered my passion for teaching. Understanding how and when to use this phrase can add depth to your communication. It's perfect for situations where you want to highlight the positive aspects of deviation from a plan, such as discovering new opportunities or enjoying the journey itself. However, it can also be used to gently critique a lack of focus or direction. Tips for using meander off course. 1. Context is key. Use it in contexts where the deviation is gradual and not necessarily negative. 2. Emphasize the journey. It's great for stories or explanations that focus on the process rather than the destination. 3. Pair with descriptive language. Enhance your narrative by combining it with vivid descriptions of the journey or outcome. Meander off course is more than just a phrase. It's a narrative tool that captures the beauty of life's unpredictability. Whether you're describing a river, a conversation, or the journey of life, it reminds us that sometimes, the most memorable and meaningful experiences come from the paths we didn't plan to take. We hope this exploration has illuminated this phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations and storytelling. Thank you for joining us, and as always, we look forward to bringing more insights into the English language in our next video. Happy learning, and may your linguistic journey be as enriching as it is enlightening.